I I awekho like ama-lose, I don't wanna lie. Awekho like ama-lose yabo. Okay, now first of all, just wanna say ukuthi happy Heritage Day to you all out there. Yeah, I hope niyabungaza namhlanje ama-cultures ethu yabo. No matter what, when I speak about culture, I'm not speaking about ama-tribes ukuthi like you fall umXhosa, umZulu nani nani. If like cause ukuba like fanele team there, it is also a culture yabo. So yeah, to just like football, it is also a culture. Culture, it is just the way about okay. Let me not describe a culture right now, but moya wami- I like I don't la yikho like into engiyanyisa ukuluza ngale ndlela. I wish like sometimes if like masilose yabo siluza ngendlela yokuthi siba like dominated. I wish ukuthi siluza ngendlela yokuthi we didn't create many opportunities. I wish siluze ngendlela yokuthi awubi nama-hopes amaningi yabo through the way vele team vele edlala ngakhona, because like right now I feel like after a long time this is one of the losses, but I think this season this is the first lose where I wouldn't even have a motivation to say, nah, I saw my positives here and there. There were many positives about this game, but I just want to say that if you create many opportunities and then you don't like finish there, maybe this is what is gonna happen. If you have many opportunities about the match, rep up match, this is what happens. Especially when you're playing against a team where they're like deep, and then you're a bigger team, you're more offensive, these are the kind of things that happen. And I just want to say to that Uban, that guy the goal for Imaruma Kalanzin. He actually scored a beautiful goal. I don't wanna lie, he actually scored a beautiful goal. The way Katanga Khan, and then he scored. So yeah, man, it's emotional. Let me just get into this game. Okay, given I'm shy, the way Katanga Khan, let me speak about like a starting lineup. Starting lineup course, I was a little bit confused about the way being a corner was starting lineup, but I understood kule side leli likaMarco noCross ukuthi they were just two players about two men playing as one man because of like lama matches lawa selesawadlala vele previous. What they noticed about coaches that with uMarco mabamdlalisa vele left back vele yabo, it is a thing yokuthi ba-consider like amabhola vele awaphezulu vele yabo, bathatha advantage with like i-height yakhe. And then with uMarco, when it comes to ukuthi abe offensive vele yabo, as the attacking side, is that we are contributed very a lot, which is somehow I think a weakness kanti ka-Cross. Akuthi weakness ka-Cross uMarco ukuthi like udlala yena so vele straight vele yabo, and then like uCross most of the time umthola sekadlala is like i-10 yabo. He's not the type of left back le ezo-overlapper vele kuhambele vele straight line vele yabo, just like uMarco vele yabo. So the reason bayele bafaka uCross is because of the defensive side ukuthi kungabi khona lama-aerial balls vele yabo azoba i-threat, and then with like uMarco, it is a thing which they wanted him to attack ngaleyo ndlela leyo, which is why bayile babadlalisa boyi-2 lento le ifana nokuthi yabo, if you like understand football yabo, when you have a player like for example last season, when you have a player elikwazi ukuthi limnandi vele yabo ukuthi lishaya like ama-passes nge-middle field, and then uba ne-player elinganyeka ukuthi likwazi ukuthi lishave lama-forward passes, you need that player ukuthi protect, and then the other one about adlala ama-forward passes. But if you have both of them une-player eli-1 vele nama-player ayi-2 nakwazi ukwenza lento leyo vele yabo, it becomes great. So it is one of those ukuthi you can play a position A1 with abantu abayithuna vele yabo, because they were actually defending today. And also another reason is because maybe the way vele ama-wing backs weMarumo Gallants they play vele yabo, since yaqala isizini they wanted to sort that thing out. It's not just really playing vele of the day, and I would just say ukuthi it's actually worked for like a course, but azange sinto it worked, but like ama-results vele yabo, they're just on another way. Yeah, man. And then yeah, I just wanna say congratulations by the way to like our boy about Mayo. Like Kaizer Chiefs is just as the style or what's like recent, what's like when our strikers about they are making a debut, they're just coming up with my debut goals. And I was gonna be happy if like Maya got like a praise today because I wish we like Bobe or such a penalty. But yeah, it is. I can't blame that on Sereno available, but I think I can blame away this the second opportunity. I yellow I told a second half when ingena iqala vele match yabo le yellow waphatha vele uMayo and this is the type of player ojolo finisher vele lamantola and le game le uzomdisturba if I'm being honest Rinpozile wa Mr. Veni penalty yabo. So yeah, another way Arteta called I knew ukuthi vele uzoshaya kanjani because it was the same way, same technique, same way washana winter njengoba besizwini i-Nedbank Cup vele yabo it was the same way washaya ngayo. Ubani konje lo keeper lwebhani yeah, I guess lo keeper lwebhani it was the same way so I was like now uzohitha ngishule that is how vele Arteta ngakhona ama-penalties vele yabo. And it's so ukuthi yele wachiza vele sa-31 and this was obviously maybe for ukeeper. And then, yeah, Umaya scored, which is great. And I'm so emotional. And then another player I would like to give like a credit more than them all. And as my friends, I hope you can see Intayenza and start to appreciate that guy. Unyambo somkhulu umthetho guy let's speak about umthetho like most of the people they don't understand the role edlalwa ulomjita irole edlalwa umthetho ukuthi always uyaprotecta vele yabo but since they noticed ukuthi la akekho mnandi that much ngama-passes just like last video le benyenziwe ukuthi umjili uyanto umuva like ama-player in the middle field vele ngama-runs akhe and today sibone most of the time vele phezulu vele because he was trying to press them high and I even saw like umthetho today entering like a box yabo but they didn't pass him the ball so that game actually it was just like a game which like if like I'm being honest but credit to like Maruma Kalans which they actually won and yeah man I don't think I actually have much available to say it is what it is. I'm disappointed. Like I'm going to treat it like a video. Like right now, like this is the first time. Like I'm sad. Like ever since I opened like the channel level, this is the first time I'm sad, and I'm just gonna try to improve on that, guys. Next time, like I'm a bit emotional with this one. And I don't even have a motivation, if I'm being honest. For like I'm a player, I'm disappointed the way we lost. I'm really like disappointed. We shouldn't have like lost this game. We should have like won this game. Besides to Serene, there were also like other opportunities where because it was same thing when like Shabalala, but like Shabalala imnandi le but Umchita every time like it is final decision most of the time you like it decide but final decision but there was even a time when he was just having like the messy moment and cutting in and then as we are passing a corner that I understand that it was his fault or we 40 okay let me just say good I didn't understand that he was passing or he was trying to shoot because like they are combined available and then not call that like no nalento ukuthi like call that like ball he's just doing too much and then Serene is the thing ukuthi ngithanda hold the ball cool yabo and then with Pule Modi if I'm being honest the guy needs to improve because it's gonna be tough for him especially njengoba feel like Nomai because Nomai doesn't only play as like a striker but he can also play as into a winger yabo. And with Omar is that when it comes to defensive work, well, a contributor available. But now I think he's just having a similar problem. Le abanayo unto Shabalala available, and then opportunities they were created. Not gonna be saying like they were like actually Marum Kalanso to actually draw with us very match there because it is a thing you would say opportunities they were 50-50 some attempts were money from like side lab but I even think they had more attempts available more than us but yeah it is what it is man of the match Nyambo some cool so yeah guys thank you.